everyone, this is Cindy with Praying at the Heart, and I'm back with an embellishment share. So I just made some embellishments using my Dear Lizzie dies. These make like an award ribbon die. You know, there's also a ribbon die in there as well, but I use these little pieces to make an award embellishment. I also use these reverse confetti dies. It's like a pumpkin face, there's a ghost, and there's a bat. I had bought these on clearance last year and actually didn't even have a chance to use them until this year. And then the last thing I used was this Happy Hats. I had gotten this in the Greeting Farm second box that they had. I believe it was the second box that they had. Really cute stamp set. And then the two paper collections I used was the Booville. It's the pink and purpley one from Michaels. And then I also used the new Doodlebug paper as well. And I think that one is called Candy Carnival, I think. So let me go ahead and show you what I made. So I've got this one. I also used some stickers from that collection as well. And so here's the first cute little one. And really easy, just cut out these girls by hand, color them with Copics, and then pop them up on my little award ribbon here. Cute, right? And then this one, I used a cut apart from the paper collection, and then I used a bat actually from my stash. So this is a foam glitter bat that I had saved from last year. And then I thought I had made 3, but for some reason I only see 2 here. Maybe I only made 2. That is weird. Okay, and then I've got probably hanging around somewhere. That's where I made 3 of them, but I guess I only have 2 here. So for the Boo collection, I have this one and this one to show you first. This is cut out of some pink and purple glitter paper. This one says, "Let's get spooky." I think it's very, very cute. And then this one, I used 2 bats. And this is cut from the paper collection as well. It says Boo Eek. And then this one, what I did for this one is I used a scallop die and I cut a circle. And then I used that pumpkin face die on top of that circle. And then I cut just a little piece of scrap kind of to be like a stem, and then tied some green twine, kind of give an idea of leaves. And it says Happy Haunting. And let me make sure I don't have another one, because that's odd that I lost my one, but it's probably just fell and it's somewhere. Anyway. Those are my embellishments. Really, really easy. Now, if you did not have these dies, you could use a scallop or a circle punch or die, and then you could cut your own little flags out, or if you have that flag punch from the paper studio from the Hobby Lobby, you could go ahead and just really easily create something very similar without using a die. Just happen to have the dies. But anyway, these are my cute little embellishments. I love how they came out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Praying at the Heart.